Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, your trusted source for in-depth product reviews. Today we're looking at the Waring Commercial Stainless Steel Container, a 64-ounce powerhouse designed for the high-performance needs of commercial kitchens and high-volume blending. Built to pair with the Waring Xtreme high-power blender model MX1000 XTS, this container promises durability and efficiency in a sleek, professional-grade design. If you're in the market for a serious blending solution, let's see what this container brings to the table. The Waring Commercial Stainless Steel Container is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, offering superior durability that's ideal for heavy-duty use. It's designed to hold up to 64 ounces of liquid or ingredients, which is more than enough for large batches, whether you're preparing smoothies, soups, or sauces. The real standout feature here is its unique cloverleaf jar design. This design helps create a high-power vortex that funnels food directly into the blade, ensuring smooth, consistent results with every blend. This is a feature that not only maximizes blending efficiency, but also helps reduce strain on the blender motor, allowing for a smoother, more reliable operation over time. The container comes equipped with a removable cover, which is not only practical, but also features a clear cap. This cap allows you to easily add ingredients during the blending process, which is particularly handy for recipes that require adjustments on the fly. Additionally, the cap plays a role in pressure reduction, particularly when you're blending hot foods. This makes the Waring commercial container a safer, more versatile option for various kitchen tasks, from blending chilled drinks to preparing piping hot soups. Now, when it comes to real-world testing, I had the chance to run this container through its paces with the Waring Xtreme high-power blender MX1000 XTS, which it's specifically designed to be paired with. I started with a batch of frozen fruits and vegetables for smoothies. The vortex design really kicked in, creating a perfect blend with no chunks left behind. I didn't need to stop and stir or shake the container to get everything to the blades, which is a common hassle with lower-end containers. Even when I switched to something more challenging, like hot soups, the container's pressure reduction feature worked well. The lid never popped off, and the clear cap allowed me to add more liquid as needed without making a mess. The build quality really stood out here. Stainless steel feels solid and durable, and the container's weight gives it a professional, high-end feel that you would expect in a commercial kitchen. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Waring Commercial Stainless Steel Container is built for heavy-duty use. The stainless steel construction is a major plus. It's not only durable, but also easy to clean, which is crucial in a fast-paced kitchen environment. The high-performance cloverleaf design is a real game-changer, especially for creating smooth blends without having to constantly monitor the process. The removable cover and clear cap add significant value, allowing for easy ingredient addition and pressure reduction during hot blending. The large 64-ounce capacity makes it perfect for high-volume operations, reducing the need to stop and refill mid-blend. However, like any product, there are a few drawbacks. While the stainless steel material is durable, it also makes the container a bit on the heavier side. If you're accustomed to lighter plastic containers, this may take some getting used to. Another point to consider is that this container is designed specifically for use with the Waring MX1000 XTS blender, so it won't work with other blenders unless they have a compatible base. This could be limiting if you're looking for a more universal option. Finally, the 64-ounce capacity, while great for large batches, may feel a bit too bulky for small blending tasks. If you're only preparing a single serving or small quantities, it might feel a little excessive. When it comes to value for money, the Waring Commercial Stainless Steel Container is priced higher than your average blender jar. But considering the quality of construction, the high-performance design, and the fact that it's built to last in a commercial kitchen setting, it justifies its price tag. If you're already investing in a high-end blender like the MX1000 XTS, this container becomes an essential add-on that elevates your blending capabilities. For those working in a high-volume kitchen, this container offers performance and reliability that justify the investment. In terms of alternatives, There are other stainless steel containers on the market that promise durability and performance, but they often lack the unique cloverleaf jar design and the pressure-reducing features found in this wearing container. If you're looking at other premium brands in this category, you might find some similar models, but the price point often reflects a compromise on the design or the performance features. In comparison to other commercial-grade containers, this one excels in its thoughtful engineering and the specialized features that make blending easier and more efficient. The build quality is where this container really shines. The stainless steel construction not only offers long-lasting durability, but it also resists stains and odors that can often be an issue with plastic jars. After several uses, I found the container still looked pristine, and the lid mechanism functioned perfectly. There's no sign of wear, and I expect this to remain a reliable tool in the kitchen for a long time. The container also holds up well under pressure, both figuratively and literally. Even with hot liquids and heavy use, I'm confident it will last. As for customer support, I didn't personally need to contact Waring regarding this container. However, the brand has a solid reputation for customer service, and if any issues were to arise, you could expect a professional response. Waring's products are widely respected in the commercial kitchen space, and the customer service experience tends to be on par with their reputation for quality. Wrapping up, the Waring commercial stainless steel container, 64 ounce, is a fantastic addition to any commercial kitchen, particularly when paired with the Waring MX1000 XTS blender. It offers exceptional durability, a high-performance design that makes blending more efficient, and features that are both practical and innovative. While the price may be higher than other options on the market, the quality and functionality make it well worth the investment for those looking to streamline their blending tasks. Whether you're running a restaurant or just need something that can handle high volumes, this container delivers. Thanks for tuning in to Reviews Inside TV. If you have any questions or thoughts about the Waring commercial stainless steel container, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. See you next time, and until then, happy blending.